Hi, I'm John Campbell, Scheme Project Manager, working on signal refurbishment in East Ayrshire. While electrifying the line between Glasgow and Barrhead, our signalling engineers are taking advantage of the line being shut between Barrhead and Kilmarnock to complete signalling refurbishment works here at Lugden. Due to their age and condition, some of our signalling equipment can cause some challenges to our maintenance teams.
Hello, I'm Simon Humble, Project Manager, also involved in the Lugden signalling works. As John mentioned, we'll be here for the next few weeks delivering a programme of refurbishment works to 7 Semaphore signals. Semaphore signals are the old-fashioned signals like the one you'll see behind me. They've got the arm that moves up and down to tell the trains to stop or go. Although they look dated, they still do what they're supposed to do, and this work will allow them to do so for many years to come. We're installing new modern lamp units to the top of 6 of these structures, and also installing new hard standing around the bottom to allow safer maintenance access. By working during the day during the closure of the line between Barrhead and Kilmarnock, it's half the time taken to deliver this work. Ordinarily it would have taken 3 months working each night when trains aren't running. This work is part of a wider programme to improve signalling infrastructure in the west of Scotland. We've already got plans in development for similar works at Kilmarnock and Inverclyde. Remember to follow Scotland's Railway on social media for the latest updates on all of our work.